Yes, welcome here to beautiful Orange County, California. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back, vlog. So yesterday I bought a random McLaren and we were racing back to the beautiful state of Utah, but I don't know if we're going to San Diego or Las Vegas or Phoenix. We got baby Burlacker, he's trying to buy a car. I don't know what to say. What cannot say? Can I say anything?
We don't even know. We don't know anything.
Obviously, they knew that, we knew that, everyone knows that. I just want to point out briefly how adorable and cute we are with our matching backpacks.
Oh, wow. There's
There's a merch link in the description below, although these backpacks are already sold. So anyways, here she is, boys. The MP4-12C. It sounds like a fax machine, and it kind of sort of drives like one as well. Wait, what? Anyways, we're headed off to Gemera land via McDonald's land for Playland for that guy. Come on, baby. It is early and it is cold. Proper cold startup on the 12C. You all right, big boss?
It's early.
How you doing?
Stretch.
No. I shouldn't do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Whoa.
Okay. Yeah, we shouldn't have done that. Thank you. Let the turbo spool and go. Jeez. Cradle it, baby. This is pretty sick. Welcome to Koenigsegg land. It's safe to say, boys, we have officially made it the Ghost Squadron experience guest parking. Not bad. The McDonald's was quite good, and I don't know how we're here, and we definitely should not be here, but check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We are out here chasing world exclusives, and when I say world exclusives, I really mean North American exclusives, because this car has been all around the world, all around Europe, all around Hong Kong. The squad, the Koenigsegg squad, the Ghost Squadron. Welcome here to Gemera land. This is the first, we're out here, boys, getting the first exclusive access of the brand new Koenigsegg Gemera. This is prototype numero uno. This is the first one in the entire world. We're talking 1,700 horsepower. 1,700 horsepower, and the doors, we should open the doors. I think, should we open the doors? Burlacker? Oh, yes. Check those out. These doors are almost 7 feet tall. This car is so crazy. So it starts at $1.7 million, but you should buy one. You're buying a car. Burlacker's here to buy a car. Wait, is this what you're buying? Is this what's happening?
Yeah.
I don't think this car is even for sale quite yet. Check this thing out. I kind of sort of want one. But actually, on a serious note, we are actually getting like North American exclusive access to the brand new Koenigsegg Gemera. This car, like I've seen obviously photos all around the world, but seeing it in person, the presence that these doors have, there's no B-pillar right there. It's one door to access the front seats and the rear seats, and this interior is absolutely gorgeous. All the lighting, and obviously it's quintessential Koenigsegg. You got that central mounted windshield wiper, and goodness gracious,
It's girthy.
it is girthy. Burlacker, you just had your moment and you crushed it. Burlacker, you're what, 6'6", 275 pounds?
280, actually.
Okay, never mind. We did just have McDonald's. So anyways, that door is legit 7 feet tall.
Crazy.
Could you imagine rolling up to like a jazz game or like a Post Malone concert in a Gemera? That would be sick. That would be sick. Also,
wait,
merch is looking fresh.
Link below.
Low key, I'm trying to not act like a 9-year-old. This is just so sick though. I just love chasing the most rare exclusive hypercars in the entire world. If you're new to the channel, my name is James and we've been everywhere. We've been Hong Kong, we've been to Saudi Arabia, Dubai, all over the place. But here in Orange County, California, we're sitting in the first Koenigsegg Gemera in the entire world. This is comfy. Whoa!
Where are you taking me?
Baby Burlack is just chilling in the back seat.
Yes.
This thing is so sick. Like I said, this is pre-production prototype number 1. I just love the curvature of this front windshield. You got that center mounted windshield wiper, and if we press this button right here, we're gonna attempt to close the doors. Check that out, that's so sick. Obviously, we don't want to break anything because, well, it starts at $1.7 million and it goes only north from there. Let me get your door, sir. You're also welcome. You look so comfy back
honestly,
there.
I'm good.
This is so sick. What?
Yes.
Okay, bro.
Wow.
$1.7 million. If we sold the Bugatti, both of them to doors, the GT350, the car you're buying, everything, the house.
Sell my Raptor.
The house.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, Mrs. Burlacker.
Yeah.
Anyways. Ooh, you got the Swedish flag right there. So sick. Okay, so we're gonna press this button, and voila. That is so mesmerizing to watch. Obviously, I just love looking at all the inner details of a Koenigsegg. The coolest doors in the entire world. The Gemera has all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, as well as all-wheel torque vectoring. I also love how the screen tilts as you tilt the steering wheel. That's so sick. This is just such a cool, visceral experience. I'm telling you guys, like, nobody does it quite like Koenigsegg. It is out, like, I keep looking out at the screen. It is absolutely gorgeous inside of this car. And just like that, we're out of the Gemera. I think we need to see if Burlacker could actually drive this car, because he's always yip-yapping, whining and complaining about how he can't drive any of the cars, but I would reckon he could actually drive a Gemera. This right here is the answer to every single NBA player watching today's video. I'd reckon there's probably not anybody from the NBA watching today's video, but if you are, be sure to smash that like button. 6'6", 280, can you drive the Koenigsegg Gemera? Obviously 1,700 horsepower is a little bit out of your qualifications, but yeah, anyways. No, hey,
I got approved for 1,600.
Worry about what you're doing, don't worry about what I'm saying.
Wow.
Bro, you look gorgeous. You look beautiful right now. That interior is so sick. $1 million question, can you drive it?
Easy.
Yes, sir. Check that out. You're comfortable, you're spacious, you got so much headroom too. That's insane. This is the only hypercar in the world you probably could drive, right? Don't you think?
I'm just confused because, like, I can't drive any of your cars, but I can drive this car. So I need to skip all the Lambos and jump right to Koenigsegg.
So it starts at $1.7 million, bro.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna skip. That's why I'm gonna skip them.
Yeah. Baby Burlacker is in the front seat, and I'm just gonna chill right here in the back seat. This is kind of sort of nice to have a chauffeur. Honestly though, like low key, it is so comfortable back here, and the view is amazing. Those doors, I just cannot get over the Koenigsegg doors.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, where are you taking us, bro?
Anywhere.
Anywhere,
Doesn't
right?
matter.
Look at this, I look gorgeous, I look majestic. I love the central skylight on the Koenigsegg's. What were you about to say?
Did you say you look gorgeous, majestic? No, it's the car. It's the car.
It accentuates my characteristics and my features. Okay, I'm getting annoying. Did you get the rear hatch for me, sir?
Yeah.
That would be great.
Yep.
Oh wow, look at that.
Want me to get
Mr.
your
Magician
luggage?
Burlacker, that would be great.
Okay.
That is amazing. Like, it's a Hyper GT. Look at all the luggage you can fit in this car. Actually, these luggage sets are so sick.
Nice.
Like, they match the car. Bro, I don't doubt.
You can fit in there.
That's insane. That is so much cubic feet.
I think you can do it.
Wow. We could hypothesize all day if I could fit in there, but check out this beautiful, gorgeous engine bay. I'm telling you guys, like Koenigsegg, they just do it best. 3 luggage bags is impressive, okay? Like, whatever, no big deal, but 4.
Why'd you pack so much?
4 is insane.
Like, why do you need so much luggage?
Because it's a Gemera. It's the world's first Hyper GT. You gotta.
That's true.
And it's like paint to sample or low. Luggage to sample? How would you describe that? Luggage to sample luggage?
I'd describe it as gorgeous.
I don't know how to film this, but check this out. There's a gyroscope right there, just hovering right there. It's effectively a 360-degree dash camera. That is so crazy and so sick and so ingenious too. Like, I feel like all cars standard should have a dash camera, because obviously when you're in a $1.7 million plus Hyper GT, it's nice to have footage in case something happens. I've just like never seen a cooler side profile than this right there. There's no B-pillar, and the seat belts are integrated into this carbon back seat that is its own monocoque. How crazy is that? I'm telling you guys, like Koenigsegg, everything they do is so ingenious. I also love how the interior is kind of sort of shaped like an egg, because Koenigsegg, yeah, anyways, yeah. This lighting just shows this car off oh so well. We're gonna do a quick 360 shot showing the entire car. It's legit a spaceship. It is a spaceship straight from Sweden. I just love the taillights, those high exhaust tips right there. This car is so gorgeous. I just cannot get over the quintessentially cool Koenigsegg doors. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gemera land. A couple quick stats, facts, and figures for you guys, because this car is absolutely insane, absolutely revolutionary. 0 to 62 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, bro.
What?
1.9 seconds. You would probably wait, what? You're not gonna vomit. Anyways, top speed, 410 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure what the conversion is on that, but I think it's like 244 miles per hour.
In a family sedan.
Right, that's right. This has 4 seats. It even has child seats. Like, it's equipped to hold child seats right there. Absolutely crazy. Could you imagine riding with your 3-year-old going 410 miles, or you're never gonna do that. Like, never ever do that.
Right.
Unless you're on the Autobahn. Wait, what?
Could you imagine if you're that kid? You got courage.
Coolest dad or mom in the world right there. Dad goals right there for my future. Your future?
Yeah.
And just like that, enjoy this view of the world's only Koenigsegg Gemera, because the next time you see it, Who knows where it's gonna be? Baby Burlacker, what are we doing?
It's gonna
where
be
are we
my
going?
driveway. It's gonna be my driveway.
It might be in your driveway sooner than you think, but where are we headed? Are we headed to Vegas, San Diego, Phoenix?
What am I doing?
Bro, this is the most beautiful conversation we have ever had in our entire life. This is so sick. Okay, so I think we're headed to San Diego, Phoenix. And on that beautiful bombshell, I want to thank the Ghost Squadron Experience one more time here at the South Coast Plaza. Guys, go follow on Instagram at 277.9. Beautiful Pagani Huayra Roadster. We got the CCX as well as the Gemera RS, but we are headed off to Las Vegas. And just like that, boys, we are on the road. I don't know where we're going, but it's still typhoon number 75. We're going northbound, which means San Diego is out. Are we going to Vegas or Phoenix?
No, we're going to get food, Raising Cane's.
It's chicken time, boys, chicken. Oh my goodness. Californians love their chicken. The line is forever. Like, it goes around, it snakes around over there, then it's 2 lanes wide. It's gonna be an hour before we get our chicken. It appears that there's a fire alarm going off, pressure low on right rear tire, stop vehicle, but the light's green. I'm sure we're fine, right? Oh, in LA, when the rain falls, the traffic stalls. So yeah, we've been sitting in traffic now for about an hour and a half. We just got the warning, high clutch temperature. So the curiosity portion of the vlog has arrived.
That doesn't sound good or smell good.
Amazing news, traffic has subsided, the clutch has cooled off, and check out this thing. What is it?
Oh, it's an E350 Super Duty.
We have arrived here to home sweet home. Wow.
You don't
okay. Welcome to the Koenigsegg house. That's right. This is the Koenigsegg house. We're here at Spring Mountain at the Koenigsegg house, the 277.9 mile per hour mega mansion. We have 18 bedrooms. We have 18 bedrooms. You know what else we have? Yeah. The Holy Trinity. McDonald's, Raising Cane's, and Domino's. Dun 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 dun.
Is that the Holy Trinity?
Yeah, it's the Holy Trinity.
Oh.
I mean, yeah, it's the Holy Trinity. I'm really starting to love this 12C, and that's cool and all, but,
Sir?
Wow. Yes, please. But...
There's actually a house.
Oh my gosh.
There's a motorcycle.
Where even are we? We're at the 277.9 house is where we are. Check this place out. It is a legit palace. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. I didn't expect the vlog to end here. You guys didn't expect the vlog to end here. We're staying in a palace. You got Koenigsegg photos everywhere. Check that out. That's the day they broke the production car world record. There are so many. Look at all the washer and dryers.
I gotta do laundry.
Whoa, this is very convenient. I can totally picture all the Koenigsegg executives sitting right here around the whiteboard as Christian von Koenigsegg concocts his next idea for the next mega car. And we've got baby Burlacker over there playing foosball. This is the actual Holy Trinity. We got cinnamon sticks, we got pepperoni pizza, we got breadsticks, and we have an 18-bedroom palace in Pahrump, Nevada.
Can you give me the icing?
Jeez, you got frosting in your beard.
I don't care.
Neither Burlacker or I are quite proud of our diet, although it was the Holy Trinity. But that being said, we're getting plenty of exercise walking from one side of the house to the other side of the house. So tomorrow, baby Burlacker is theoretically buying a new car. Now the probability level is probably simply lower than we think, but that didn't make sense. You know what I mean? Yeah, Koenigsegg Gemera, Gemera land, that was so sick. I cannot thank Mark, Michael, and Tim enough for letting us stay at the Koenigsegg 277.9 hotel. It's basically a hotel. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.